Right this
Hey,
way.
Joey. How is it? Seem all right?
Pretty nice.
All right. So when you come into a room, like I said, this is a standard balcony stateroom. So when you come in, you have 3 closets here. Got some hangers, your life jackets in this one. As you can see, it's labeled there. You need those in case of an emergency. Here's another hanger. It's got 2 hanging bars. Nice, flexible storage there. Got some stuff. You can see we put a few things in here already, but this one is all shelves, and then it can fold up, and then you can use the bar instead, which is nice. Got a nice big mirror here. You can see me looking good as always. You have your counter, like vanity area. You got some drawer storage there, like kind of like a desk here with some different Carnival magazines in here. Down here you have a mini fridge, so you can put any of your drinks in here or anything you may need refrigerated. You can see it does come empty. Got this cool blue light to it, really nice. Up here you've got some glasses, some water you can pay for, $3.75. Not the best price. Got a safe in here that you can use with your room key. Joel will demonstrate. He did it wrong. So you can see it's locking. And then that same card will be needed to unlock it. It won't work with any card in the room. Also, you don't really have to use your Carnival card. If you just have a gift card you wanted to leave that anybody in the room could have, that's a great option too. Got a nice little flat screen TV here. A decorative light fixture. I really wish they'd take those out because there is no real purpose to those. Where's the switch for that? Is that over here? No, I forget where the switch is.
Was it?
Was that it? Does it turn on at the same time?
Runs the vanity too.
So with your vanity light switch there, and your decorative, I use the word loosely, light fixture. You have your phone for shipboard calls, as well as you can call to Shure with that. There is a fee. I'm not sure what that is offhand. And then on the desk you have a European style and a US style outlet there. That's really the only outlets in the room, so you got to get creative with your power needs. So we have another small cabinet here, and then we have this bed is configured as a king. You can have that split into 2 twins though if you don't want to share, but Carnival luggage mat there for when you unpack. And this is a 4-person room, so we have the upper bunk that pulls from the ceiling, as well as the lower couch that can be set up as a bed as well. You have a little table, some lamps at the different beds. Your thermostat here does a decent job. Nothing exceptional. You have a breakfast menu, of course, for your room service. Breakfast, your privacy sign. And then here we have the bathroom. A little small, but such is life on a ship. Nice big mirror here with your light up top. Some shelves on the side for different toiletries and other things. Your sink, your toilet, and a shower. The shower's a pretty good size. It does have the removable wand, which is really nice. I like that a lot. Soap dish. Carnival does provide you with shampoo and shower gel. If you weren't aware of that, it works decent for me. I use it when I'm on the ship. It's not gonna stack up to your real expensive, like $30 bottles of shampoo, but it's good for the average person. And then last thing in here, you do have the clothesline to hang up your bathing suits and towels or whatever you may have that needs to dry. Last thing is 2 hooks on the back of the door there. And then that is it. So that's it for the inside of the stateroom, of the balcony on a Carnival ship. This is the Carnival Pride, of course. So rooms on other ships vary a little bit, but they're pretty much all the same. Now the newer ships coming out from like the more recently, the last like 6 or so, they'll have nicer rooms with a little bit different decor, but overall the layout and the functionality of the room doesn't change really at all. So next we're going to go out on the balcony. We'll take a look at that, and that'll be the tour there. All right, so here we have a curtain covers up the window for the balcony. You can see we have a decent sized window and then a all glass door here. So we're gonna go out here, and here we have Joel again. So we'll let that close. And so this is a standard sized, this is actually an extended balcony. So that means the width is a little bit, the width is the same, but the length is greater. So this is about 25%, I believe, bigger than a standard balcony. So you can see about how big it is. Joel is about 6'3", so you can see how he reaches out as far as how big the balcony is. So all your balconies do come with the 2 deck chairs and the 1 table. They're this nice teak wood. You can see. Here's our view of Baltimore and the port here. So we're right above the lifeboats, and we're on one of the indents. The Carnival Pride, the side goes in and out. So the extended balconies are in, and the standard balconies are the out ones, like these over here would be standard. So they're a little bit shorter, but they are on the outward part of the ship. So here's the parking lot, there's the cruise port, and there is the Baltimore skyline. So all the balconies are glass, which is really nice. So you can, even when you're sitting down, it doesn't interrupt your view. Now a few of them I believe are obstructed, but the majority have this same type of view that's pretty clear. Now also you do have these sides that if you're sharing a cabin with someone right next to you, you can request that your stateroom stewards open these up, and they'll fold out this way so that you can share your balcony access with another one and have kind of one large balcony. And at night you do have a light out here for if you want to sit out and just enjoy the sea as it goes by when you're out, but or enjoy the port even if you're there later at night. But yeah, what do you think, Joelby? So that is of course our tour of stateroom 6273 here on the Carnival Pride on the cruise to the Bahamas out of Baltimore. So, like I said, many Carnival rooms are exactly like that. So if you book a balcony or even an ocean view, you're going to get a very similar layout to what we just showed in there. Ocean views, of course, wouldn't have the outdoor space, but the room layout is pretty much identical. This is our 9th Carnival cruise, and every room has been just like that with the little differences in decors, but the layout completely identical. So make sure you stay with us as we continue through the rest of the cruise and we show you some different stuff. The fun is just getting started and the videos are just getting started, so we hope you'll stick with us and come along for the ride.